Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create your own crypto token or meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and all for free. I will walk you through the step-by-step process that anyone can follow to launch their own Solana token. So if you have a great idea for a new meme coin and you want to make some good money, stick around. We are going to do it in just a few minutes, and you only need a Phantom wallet and a PC. You will need a tiny amount of Solana in your Phantom wallet just to cover the super small transaction fees. Solana network fees are only a few cents, so you really don't need much. The token creation process works on both PC and mobile, so if you are away from home and you have a great meme coin ID, you can whip out your mobile phone and create a meme coin in seconds. As you probably know, the most popular meme coin creation website is pump.fun, but because this platform is overloaded, spitting out thousands of new meme coins every day, which makes it harder for your new coin to be discovered, we will use a lesser known website called coinbook.fun. I have a link in the description below this video. If you visit the homepage, you need to confirm that you are over 18 years old, and when done, you will see some tokens that are already being traded. But we are here to make our own meme coin, so look for the Connect Wallet button first, click on it and select Phantom. A pop-up will appear asking you to connect to your wallet. You will need to sign a few messages to confirm you're the one connecting. And don't worry, this is standard security step to sign you into the website and you won't be charged anything. Now let's create our token. Click the Launch Token button to pull up the token creation page. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. You will need to fill out a few fields. The token name is the full name of your meme coin. For this example, I will make a new token called Meme Boy. If you don't have a name in mind, go to Deck Screener and take a look at which coins are trending. Go to Solana, click New Pairs and then on Trending, and you will see all the hottest meme coins. Do some research to find out the narrative and use this as an inspiration for your own meme coin. The token symbol is a short all caps abbreviation for your token. For my coin, I will name it MBC, which is short for Meme Boy Coin. Next, we enter a short description. This isn't critical, but it's a good place to be creative. I will use "Let's take our Meme Boy to the moon." The image is your token logo. Make sure it's a nice square image in a PNG or JPEG format. You can create your logo in Canva for free. Click New Design and make it 1000 by 1000 pixels. Then make your logo by adding different elements related to your meme coin. When done, download the image as a PNG or JPEG file to your computer. I already created my logo in Canva, so I can just upload it here. We are almost done. You can also add links to your token's social media pages like Telegram, X or a website, but all this is optional. Once you have filled out all the info and everything looks good, click Launch Token. Before your token officially goes live, you will have a final pop-up. You can now buy a small amount of your meme coin right away. I highly recommend you to do this, because buying a small amount of your coins helps protect your coin from snipers. Snipers are automated bots who buy a new token the second it launches, so they get the lowest price. If you buy a small amount for yourself, you are the first person to transact, and this way you get in at the lowest possible price. After you decide how much you want to buy, click Launch Token one more time. You will get one last transaction pop-up from your Phantom wallet. Click Confirm and that's it. Your token is officially live on the Solana blockchain. The transaction takes just a few seconds, and once done, you will be taken to your token's official page, complete with a chart and all the details. Your meme coin is now tradable, but there is an important thing you need to understand, and that's the bonding curve. You see, right now your token is only tradable on the Coinbook platform. If you want to make your token available to everyone on the wider crypto market like Radium or Jupiter, it needs to graduate from the bonding curve. This happens automatically as people buy and sell your token on CoinBook. The more trading activity, the faster the bonding curve completes. Once done, your token will be officially out there for the world to trade on any platform. And that's it. You have successfully launched a Solana token. Your next step is to market it and get the word out. Share your token on your social media accounts or any other communities. Launching a new token this way is a fantastic option because there is no risk. If your idea doesn't take off, you have lost almost nothing. But if it does, the potential for success is massive. People are making life-changing money by catching a trend or a good meme early, and now you have all the tools to join them. If you have any questions or if you have launched your own token, feel free to share it in the comments below for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and stay safe.